What is up, Print Squad? I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what I'm going to be doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, Print Squad, I'm actually here late at the shop and working on an order kind of late. Today is Wednesday. No, it's a Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is the last day of my basketball training program for this summer. So, yeah, I've been having a lot going on and stuff. And then I was trying to decide on a slogan. I think I got the slogan that I'm going to stick with from now on for my basketball training program. So what I'm going to be doing, I was going to do a screen, but because it's so late and I don't feel like having to go through all that, I'm going to do sublimated shirts for the kids. I hate to do them on white because, you know, especially with the girls, you're going to have your undershirt on. Well, I guess most of us wear, you know, we're going to wear the sports bras anyway, but you know how it is when you have a white shirt. But these can be more of like casual wearing shirts because I think they're going to be pretty nice. But I'm going to go ahead and print out the transfers so that I can let you guys check out everything and see what we're going to be printing. All right, Print Squad, I'm going to show you guys what I did. I printed out on a full sheet of paper. I had 2 of these, and then I had 2 of these, which is my saying right here that's going to be on the back. I had 2 of each on one sheet of paper, 13 by 19 sheet of paper. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and take them over to the heat press so I can press them. All right, Print Squad. I got my t-shirts over here, just some regular polyester t-shirts. I'm going to print a couple so y'all can check them out. All right, Print Squad, here's the front and here's the back. Ooh, this shirt is hot. And it did not fade through. It did not fade through, so you don't have to put a paper in between or anything, but this is the front and this is the back. So I'm gonna get ready to show you guys the whole package of what I have. You know, the shirt, the bag, and everything that I have that I'm gonna be passing out in the morning to my basketball training group. So let's go. All right, Print Squad, I'm gonna show you everything I have right here. As you see, I have the t-shirt, as you see, with the green logo on it. Then I got the Elevate Your Game. That's gonna be my new slogan right there. And right here, let me see. Right here, you guys see I have the towel, sublimated towel. And right here, I have the bag. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna package everything up. I'm just gonna fold up this towel, just like so. Let me see, I had it folded in a neat way the other day. Right there, and right there. Actually, I wanna make it just a little bit thinner. Like that. Guess that's gonna be good. Then I take the shirt, just like that, and I'm gonna stick it down in the bag right here. And I have all the kids' names on the bags already, because they wear different size shirts and I didn't want to get that confused. So it's going to be looking like this when they get it tomorrow. Well, I'm going to leave it not drawn. Just like that, and I'm going to put it in my box. I'm going to give you guys another shot so you can check out everything and leave comments below and let me know what you guys think about it. This is my first sublimated order. Everything was sublimated except for this bag right here. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up those shirts and show you guys a shot of everything and be right back. All right, Print Squad, I have finished the complete order for my basketball group. I know y'all got to see me print the shirts in this video, but I'm gonna let you guys check out what everything looks like all together. I think it came out nice. I mean, the bag, you know, when it's by itself, it don't get as much justice as y'all about to see right now. Let's check it out. As you see right there, and I'm sorry, this light I have is just giving me issues, y'all. I'm gonna have to figure out how I can fix that. But this is everything. We got the bag right there, the digital camo with the charcoal gray, white, light gray, or lighter gray, whatever you want to call it, maybe black. Then we got the towel right here. If you haven't seen the video for the towel, I'll leave that and the bag at the end of the video. And there's the t-shirt. I got a little something on that shirt right there, but there you go. That's my whole little setup right there. I think the kids gonna love it. What y'all think? Let me know down below. All right, Print Squad, y'all have seen everything I have to offer for you guys today. If you like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. And I also have a second channel. On that channel, I have on the red Print Squad t-shirt. So make sure you subscribe to that channel also and tune in to my live streams, because I do live streams Monday through Friday at 10 a.m. Central Time. And be sure to check below this video for links if you're interested in the products and equipment that I use in my videos. I always leave links down below. And follow me on Instagram at T-Shirt Chick TV and join that Print Squad group on Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you in another video. Print Squad out.